Right, welcome. We're just by Nant-Y-Moch reservoir, which is just east of Aberystwyth and kind of just above Devil's Bridge.
It's our 3-year wedding anniversary today, and I've literally just finished up my 2 weeks running the summer school film and media for teenagers, which thankfully went really well. As you know, on our last trip it was quite a lot of work and a lot less play, so we've decided that we're going to take this week back in North Wales so we can just take more time to enjoy the place we really love, and it just so happens to have fallen at the same time as our wedding anniversary, which is today.
We're just gonna kind of let the road take us, I think, this week, because we haven't got much on really. It's going to be nice and chilled, because in a week's time Ellie actually comes home on the Monday. I drop her at a train station, and then I've actually got 4 days in Snowdonia Mountains filming a music video for a trance artist. So, which is, you know, completely different, but if it means me being in the mountains with my tent, then all be well.
I'm looking forward to just chilling this week though. It's been such a hectic couple of weeks running this summer school, so yeah, looking forward to just enjoying the landscape, enjoying Florence, and having a nice relaxing time before it's back to work and back to uni, which is not far away now.
All around there's no one but you. Here, hold my heart. Stranger sound gets around us too.
Oh, look at that plane! But we're just coming into the valley of Nant-Y-Moch, which is a famous place. The RAF and the American Air Force do a lot of flybys through there.
Have it all. I go red when you're sitting nearby. I'm like a young child. It's silly how time just flies when we play and you hide. You come and go like a monsoon rain. You had a show like a lightning bolt. You have it all.
Right, okay, we have found the park up for this evening, and in a few weeks time, well, in about a week's time after I drop Ellie off, this was the campsite that we were going to come and stay at when we were going to shoot the music video, and we weren't that far away, so I thought let's come and check it out, and it's a really cool campsite, so we decided to stay here tonight. Don't know if you could see, but that is Snowdon in the background. Yes, quite quiet little site, £6 each. Toilets and showers down there. Yeah, and lovely views. So 3 years.
I know. Our wedding day was so amazing though.
Yeah, it was pretty cool, wasn't it?
It was like, I was so anxious. I remember the day before, the weather forecast came in and it had changed suddenly, and they said that there was going to be massive thunderstorms coming in all day, like it was going to be torrential rain, it was going to be thunder and lightning. But then the wedding day came and I arrived, and the rain held off, and I remember I got out of the wedding car and I'm wearing this like long cathedral veil, and I'm all, you know, a little bit nervous, butterflies ready to go in, and the photographer says to me, oh, come around to the back of the car so I can take a picture of you. I was like, okay, and so I did it and posed with camera and went inside and looked down at my veil and saw that there was a massive hole singed in my veil. Like a huge hole had burnt in my veil from the exhaust on the car. And in that moment, I was freaking out. I was like, I can't walk down the aisle now. What do I do? You know, freaking out. And then my mind just switched like that. And I just thought, do you know what? Sod it. This is my wedding. You know, there could be thunder and lightning. You could set my veil on fire. I am going to enjoy this day. This is my day. And I'm going to enjoy it. And I walked down the aisle, big singed hole in my veil. And I just thought, I don't care. I'm going to enjoy this day.
And you did look beautiful.
But the mad thing was, there wasn't like even a drop of rain. But the next day on the weather, they actually apologised for getting it so wrong.
And what I loved about our wedding more than anything is it felt like quite like old school in the fact that we went on our honeymoon pretty much straight after the wedding. Yeah, the next morning off we went to Norway, and we were on just cloud 9 with that, you know, and going to Norway was mind blowing. I think
perfect.
That was one of the first times, you know, experience kind of mountains with snow on the top of them and just like being blown away by it.
But again, it was surreal because there was a heat wave.
Yeah.
And they just never have heat waves like that. It was unbelievable. It was like 27 degrees for the whole week that we were there. So we were up on top of mountains and we're surrounded by snow, but we're in shorts and t-shirt and it's lovely and warm. And it was, the most awesome experience.
We would love to take the van back to Norway one day and go exploring. But that's for another adventure.
I would love to do the whole of Scandinavia.
Yeah.
Drive up and then back down to Norway.
Watch the Northern Lights. We've got to go up to see the Northern Lights at the top.
Yeah.
Maybe into Sweden and then back down. Yeah, but that would be amazing, wouldn't it?
That is probably my dream trip to do.
I mean, like you say quite a lot, there's still so much to see in this country. Good morning from Snowdonia. And we didn't do much filming last night because it was our anniversary, so we just had something to eat and chilled. So today it's looking a bit overcast, but the sun is breaking through the clouds. So we're going to grab a shower, get some breakfast, and we're still undecided what we're actually going to do today. So when we first started dating, Ellie told me about eggy bread and bacon with golden syrup and brown sauce, and I couldn't get my head round it. And then she made it for me and everything changed. So breakfast this morning is eggy bread and bacon with brown sauce and golden syrup.
Well, that was so cool that we come to a campsite in the summer holidays in August and get a whole field to ourselves with an amazing view. We're all packed up now, had our showers, had our breakfast, and we're going to head out on the road again. We're going to drive somewhere where I don't think we've been before, so there's a few lakes and some disused quarries there that we're going to check out. So yeah, we'll see what we will see.
So we just stopped off in this little village. We noticed it's sort of surrounded by some quarry. So we're going to go and check it out. There's some old buildings. We'll see how we get on. This is so cool. It's like a American ghost town from the Wild West. this is a very cool room. This reminds us some of the old mills in the quarries above Blenheim-Festiniog that we've been in, doesn't it?
Yeah, I love exploring old quarries. I think it's probably my favourite kind of derelict building to look around. I just imagine how it was years ago when this was all up and running and there were people busy doing their work, and yeah.
This is what you've got to be careful of when exploring, because most of the time you're kind of looking up and around you, and then there's a big old pit.
Look up, look down, look around. You've got to be so aware of your surroundings.
Whoa, look at this sawmill. How epic is that? This must have been the sawmill where they would cut the slate. Old workbenches. Look at this drill. It's an old drill here. A press drill, which is a bit seized up. And this is where people's mail would have been put.
Well, we think we've seen it all in North Wales, and then we find even more.
Really nice explore. So that was a unexpected little surprise.
And this morning when we were looking at the map, we couldn't decide where to go, and so I said, okay, I'm just going to point at something. And so I pointed at the map and it came to this area, and Scott was like, I'm not sure what's there. I said, okay, you do it then. So I kind of turned the map around, and then Scott did the same, and he got the other end of this road, and we were like, right, okay, we've got to go there then.
And here we are.
It was meant to be.
Hope you've enjoyed the quarry explore. We'll see you later.
Thank you for watching. Do let us know what you thought. If you'd like to see more, hit the subscribe button. Check out our other videos. Head over to our website. We've got a range of blogs that tell you more about us and Florence. Check out our new range of merchandise, helping us to continue producing our films.